and Chief Mazi Elekoti Anyogo Ogonu Madua of Ibere, a giant of Nigeria. So, bye-bye, Elimeka. Ndelo Budo, Makanya Memeka.
Are you referring to
Akupongwa, yes.
I'm overwhelmed with joy that my good friend, my childhood friend, except that people did not allow me during the debate ceremony to Ukono has been my childhood friend. We were together in the Central School, and in 1944, went straight to Hopewell to do secondary education. I met him there again in 1946 when I went to do teacher training course in the normal college. When Okon finished his examination, Cambridge school certificate in those days, he worked very briefly in Eastern Nigerian civil service. He was within about 6 months, and in September 1950, he went to America. Okono specifically went to America to do medicine. But when he went there, he wrote me telling me that he could not stand the smell of anesthetics. Yes, he said he couldn't stand the smell. And he switched over to theater art. And in fact, the day he returned to Java, I was when he received him at 50 at Parole and spent the night with him that day. Marvelously, the mother came to see us that day. The mother came from the village to see us and told us it was alright. And she went to and back because the desire was to see Ukon alive. After 10 years, I just said. That's what I can say. I've been very close to each other. What I want to say is that people know what God has created them for. The elder brother thought that he was going to be a medical officer, but God said no, that this man is not for that. And he has done better than what he would have done as a medical practitioner. That's my view.
Because I throw in Kenta, you never found it.
Am I having? No, Jima. Guy, my little certificate. Onya, what do you have watched? How do you think this? And I just want to like it by throwing a little bit of my car. Never found a man. Any of